All right. It's November 6th today, and we're down. We took one trade today, and it was a loss. I'm filming this a little later, so my P&L isn't showing up, and I don't know why this says 60, but only one trade, and we had a 2 point stop loss, so we're down $23 today. Nothing bad, but I mean, I think it was a justifiable trade. It was a good trade. I wasn't too upset about it. It just didn't work out. So, we're just looking for the next setup after it, and I just didn't find anything. There was one that came after it, but I didn't take it because I didn't like how it looked. So we did have a couple missed trades today, and let's get into this. So, start of the morning. These two yellow lines, this is a 15-minute range. So we kind of opened up, stayed in this channel right here, selling off. And honestly, all morning was just really choppy up until from literally 7:30 to 10:30, we're just kind of chopping. So that was kind of frustrating. It was just really slow. But in the morning here, you see we had the pre-market low right here, so this was at 5:30. But I mean, realistically, it's like 6:30. I don't know. The time switched up for me, so when I opened this, my computer was off. So I mean, it says it opened at 6:30, but it actually opened at 7:30. So the pre-market low was right here, anyways. So that's what this blue line is, and so we kind of came down. And we wicked under it, but kind of closed and made a nice bounce off that low. And so I could have gone right here, kind of hesitated. I didn't really want to get in out right here just because it's really early in the morning. And I don't know, I'm still kind of hesitating on trades like these. But anyways, had a nice bounce right here, came up, and then I had a second possible entry, which it didn't even wick low, just bounced off, and it was kind of just holding right here. So I was just kind of staring at it while I was sitting right here at this level. So I could have had another possible entry right there. And honestly, I should have. It was a nice bounce. And so I would have got 5 points with, it would have been nice risk to reward. So yeah, we just kept pushing down, staying in this channel. And then once we pushed below the 15-minute range and the pre-market low, I was looking if we can use this as resistance now. So we pushed below, and EMA was coming down nicely, and it looked like it was either EMA was going to be on top of the bottom of the 15-minute range, or this pre-market low. So let me pull up this video because I did take a trade here. So here's me waiting for it coming up. I didn't have the 15-minute range drawn yet. I literally just drew them now. But it's the 15-minute range, just a little bit above the pre-market low. So it's coming up, and it was kind of holding here. So that was a nice rejection. Liked how it was just kind of holding there, not really going above. And see the overnight low, that's now resistance, is like 43, 78, 72. So there is like a little bit of liquidity, not a lot, but it was holding nicely. And I mean, I didn't get on the EMA, I just wanted to see a reaction. And I mean, just holding there. Skip ahead a little bit. Oh wow. And I mean, really, as soon as I bought in, it kind of it just went the other way. So I got very unlucky, I feel like. It was justifiable. I took a couple of them last week and they worked out. This one just didn't work out, and I got stopped out pretty quickly, literally 20 seconds, maybe not even. So that was the only trade we took. And then we had this missed one right here, so I was right before it. I mean, after I missed this one, that's why I wanted to take this one. This one was holding well, but then it didn't work out. This one held well, but it actually did work out. So that was kind of frustrating. And then after we kind of really okay, after we stopped consolidating and we finally broke out of the range, like this one was just a small push below the 15-minute range. So here, I'll get rid of the overnight low because it's kind of irrelevant now. But yeah, we had this little push, but then we came right back up. This one was a bigger push down. I mean, not like this one, but still bigger than this one. And then we had a nice wick right here, which looked good. Nice rejection off of it, and it was also like right on top of EMA. So I didn't take this one, but man, shout out Daniel, man. He took this one, rode this bitch like almost all the way down. I mean, he got a nice runner on it, but he didn't get all this. But you know, he still got some nice profit on it nonetheless. But you know, I watched him take it. I didn't take it though. So yeah, that was a missed one. Some we could have taken, but after that, really, I didn't see any other setups. Low frustrating. I didn't take this one. I kind of missed this. So yeah, after that, it was just kind of dead. After that, I didn't see any more possible entries. So that's the start of the Monday, start of the week. Only down 23, so not terrible, but nothing crazy. But you know, I'm feeling good though. Starting this week off, I mean, I was really excited to get into today, and then we just had like 3 hours of chop, so that was kind of frustrating. But shit, we'll see how the rest of the week goes.